If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on POCO M8 Pro, what you can do is you can, for example, go to the Quick Share. So I believe the easiest way to access Quick Share is by using the control center. Over here we have the Quick Share button, these two arrows going inside a circle. And then over here you can just easily receive files. So if someone tries to send you some files, then you can accept it over here, for example. You can also go to send in case you want to send some files to someone. And over here we can tap on select in order to choose whatever you want to transfer. You can of course see recent files in here. We can tap on these three lines in order to try to locate all different kinds of files. And then you should be able to also choose to whom you want to send it. So you should be able to find nearby devices in here. So you can select them in order to transfer the data. What you can also do is you can simply use the sharing option when using any of the file managers, which might be a little bit more convenient to use. So in this case, let's say I'm gonna choose the file manager. There we go. And let's say I want to transfer some images that I have in here. So what I can do is I can select them. And in this case, over here we have the send button, so I'm gonna use it. So this can be sent, it can be share, and so on and so forth. And over here we have Quick Share, so I can select it, and now my files will be immediately selected, and then the rest is pretty much the same. This is a little bit more convenient to use because I just believe that using File Manager first, or the Files app by Google, is just like a more convenient way to actually find your files. And in the case of the Files app, you can also find Quick Share here at the bottom. So if you want to just quickly open Quick Share, then you can do so even from here. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.